Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about interior design, home styling, and creating beautiful spaces that truly reflect who you are, then you're in the right place. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that makes all the difference when it comes to transforming a house into a home: personalized spaces. Your home should be more than just a place to live. It should tell your story, showcase your personality, and feel like a true reflection of you. Whether it's through color schemes, furniture choices, meaningful decor, or sentimental pieces, there are endless ways to customize your space to make it feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest interior design tips, tricks, and inspiration. And of course, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know how you've personalized your own space or if you have any questions along the way. Alright, let's get started. Your home should be an extension of your personality. It's not just about following trends or copying what you see in magazines. It's about curating a space that tells your story, makes you feel comfortable, and sparks joy every time you walk through the door. But how do you do that? Well, I've got some tried and tested tips to help you personalize your space in a way that's both stylish and meaningful. Colors and moods. Color has a massive impact on how a space feels and how you feel in it. Think about what colors resonate with you. Are you drawn to warm, earthy tones that create a cozy and inviting atmosphere? Or do you prefer cool, calming shades that make your space feel tranquil and serene? Maybe you love bold, vibrant colors that reflect your energetic personality. Whatever it is, use color to your advantage. You don't have to paint every wall. Start small with accent walls, furniture, artwork, or even soft furnishings like cushions and rugs. Consider how color psychology plays into your space. Soft blues and greens can create a peaceful, relaxed vibe, perfect for bedrooms or reading nooks. Deep reds and oranges bring warmth and energy, making them great for social spaces like dining rooms. Neutrals, on the other hand, provide a versatile backdrop that allows personal touches to stand out. Think about layering colors through different elements in the room. You can use throws, curtains, and accessories in varying shades to create depth and interest. Even using wallpaper with subtle patterns can enhance the personal feel of a space. Another approach is to mix different textures in a single color palette to add visual interest. For example, pairing a soft velvet sofa with a rustic wooden coffee table in similar tones can create a warm and cohesive feel. Don't forget about how lighting interacts with color. Natural daylight brings out the truest shade of a color, while artificial lighting can alter its tone. Warm lighting enhances rich hues like terracotta and mustard, making them feel even cozier, while cool lighting can give blues and grays a crisp, modern look. Playing with light sources can help create the perfect ambiance. Another great way to incorporate personalized colors is through seasonal updates. In summer, you might swap out heavier, darker textiles for lighter, airier ones in fresh pastels or ocean-inspired hues. In winter, you can introduce warm, deep colors through throw blankets, cushions, and even table settings to create a snug environment. If you're hesitant about committing to bold colors, start with small pops of color in accessories like vases, candles, or artwork. This lets you experiment without overwhelming the space, and you can switch things up easily if your tastes evolve over time. Personal memorabilia. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to infuse personality into a space is through personal memorabilia. Displaying personal items like family photos, travel souvenirs, artwork, or even sentimental objects can instantly make a house feel like a home. But here's the trick. Curate, don't clutter. Instead of filling every surface, create thoughtful displays. A gallery wall with framed pictures and prints? Perfect. A bookshelf styled with travel keepsakes, books, and a few decorative pieces? Even better. Think of it as storytelling through design. Try using floating shelves or shadow boxes to frame special items and make them feel like an intentional part of the decor. Another fun idea is to create a rotating display. Instead of keeping the same photos or mementos in one place forever, switch them out seasonally. This keeps your space fresh while allowing different aspects of your life to shine through at different times. You can also create themed corners or mood boards that change based on your inspirations and experiences. Personalized decor can also include DIY projects, such as a photo collage, framed ticket stubs from concerts, or a corkboard filled with handwritten notes and postcards from friends and family. These small touches can make a big emotional impact. DIY and custom furniture. If you want to take personalization to the next level, let's talk DIY and custom furniture. Customizing furniture can be as simple as painting an old dresser in a fresh, fun color, or reupholstering a chair in a fabric that speaks to you. And if you love a bit of DIY, why not create your own decor? Hand-painted canvases, pottery, or even a simple handmade wreath can add a personal touch. The beauty of DIY is that no one else will have the exact same piece. It's 100% you. Don't be afraid to upcycle. Thrifted furniture can be transformed into something unique with a little sanding, staining, or painting. Even a simple change, like swapping out cabinet handles for something quirky or handmade, can make a big impact. For those who love crafts, consider making your own textiles, like macrame wall hangings or tie-dye cushions. These small details can make a space feel truly personal and handcrafted. If you have a hobby, such as pottery or woodworking, incorporate your creations into your decor. A handmade ceramic bowl or a custom-built shelf not only enhances the aesthetic, but also tells a story. Lighting. Lighting isn't just about making a room visible. It's a powerful tool that can completely transform the feel of a space. The right lighting can evoke a specific mood, enhance the atmosphere, and highlight the unique features of your home. Think about the kind of ambience you want to create. For a warm, welcoming, and intimate atmosphere, opt for soft, warm lighting. This works wonders in living rooms, bedrooms, or dining areas where you want to unwind and relax. On the other hand, if you're setting up a space for productivity, perhaps a home office or kitchen, bright, white lighting will keep things clear and energizing, helping you stay focused and alert. Personalizing your lighting doesn't just stop at the type of bulb. Statement lighting fixtures can become the centerpiece of a room, giving it character and personality. Consider a quirky pendant light over the dining table, vintage wall sconces on either side of a mirror, or even fairy lights delicately draped across a headboard to create a dreamy, whimsical feel. These elements not only bring in light, but can reflect your taste and style, making the space feel more authentically you. And don't overlook the magic of candles. Not only do they provide a soft, flickering glow, but scented candles introduce a whole new sensory layer to your home. The combination of light and scent can set a relaxing tone, helping you unwind after a long day, or creating a warm, inviting atmosphere for guests. If you're into tech, smart lighting solutions offer ultimate flexibility. With features like dimmable lights, color-changing LED bulbs, and even smart home systems, you can adjust your lighting to suit your needs throughout the day. Whether you want to brighten up your morning or set a cozy mood for evening relaxation, these solutions make it easier than ever to customize your environment. Another key lighting concept to think about is layering. Layering different types of lighting creates depth and flexibility in a room. For general illumination, rely on overhead lighting, which gives the room an overall brightness. For focused tasks like reading, cooking, or working, use task lighting to provide more direct, concentrated light. Finally, accent lighting helps to highlight specific areas of the room, like artwork, plants, or architectural features, adding interest and drama. When combined thoughtfully, these layers allow your space to adjust and flow with your day-to-day needs. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, reading a book, or just lounging, the lighting can transform the room to match your mood and activities, making it feel dynamic, flexible, and truly yours. Final thoughts. Now, I'd absolutely love to hear from you. What's one thing in your home that truly reflects your personality? Whether it's a quirky piece of art, a vintage find, or a sentimental item that holds special memories, I'm so curious to know what makes your space uniquely yours. Drop it in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one and responding to as many as I can. It's always great to hear how everyone expresses themselves through their homes. And if you found this video helpful or inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our future videos. I've got loads more design tips, home styling ideas, and inspiration coming your way. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see